Hey my penguins, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing really well. So in today's video I'm gonna share with you all how to create this eye makeup look, which you can pair up with any kind of outfits, whether it's Indian wear or Western wear, and it's really easy to create, and also it doesn't take too much time to create this look. So without any further ado, if you want to know how to create this look, then please keep on watching. So to create this look, I have first taken a chocolatey brown shade on a flat eyeshadow application brush, and मैंने यहाँ पे एक सेलो टेप लगा लिया है just at the end of my eyes to get a sharp edge. और first I will pat the eyeshadows in a tapping motion from my outer corners till the midway of my upper lash line. I'm not gonna drag the color too much to my inner corner. I'm first gonna pat the color just where I want it. I'm not applying too much color at a time. I'm just building up the intensity little by little, and first I will be placing the color, and then with the help of a blending brush I'm gonna blend it out really well. Now taking a clean blending brush, I'm just blending out the edges really well to give the eyeshadow a more diffused look. You don't want any stark lines. You have to blend it really well so that it melts into your skin and gives a darkest to lightest, a beautiful gradation. Now with the help of an angled brush, I'm going to apply the same brown eyeshadow on my tear duct area, and I will be connecting it with my upper lash line to give a more elongated look to my eyes, and also I will be connecting it with my lower lash line. This will help in making my eyes look a more cat eye effect, and will also give a more dramatic look to this whole makeup. Next I will be applying this golden shimmery shade all over my eyelid. You can use any shimmery shade of your choice, and with the help of my finger I'm gonna just dab it lightly all over my lid. I'm not saturating my whole eyelids with the color. I'm just adding a little bit of shimmer on my eyelid. Now I'm gonna intensify the brown shade again, because after applying the shimmer shade, the brown shade loses some of its intensity. So I'm just reapplying the shade. And again blending it out using the same fluffy blending brush, making sure there are no harsh lines and the eyeshadows are well blended into each other. Now taking this warm yellowish shade on a fluffy blending brush, I'm gonna apply it on my crease to give some depth and definition over there. You can use any color here, like if you are wearing something pink or red or anything, you can add that color on your crease area to give a little bit of color and pop to your eyes. Now I'm just tight lining my eyes using a brown kajal. You can use a black kajal if you want, but I wanted to keep the eye look really subtle and simple. That's why I used a brown kajal. Now I'm applying the same brown shade really close to my lower lash line to add some smokiness and depth over there. Now to smoke out the brown eyeshadow, I'm applying a mixture of the brown shade and the transition shade, and again applying on my lower lash line. Highlighting my brow bone using the same golden shimmery shade. Next up, I'm gonna finish up the look just curling my lashes and applying few coats of mascara. And to keep the whole makeup look realistic and minimalistic so that it won't consume too much time and you all can easily create it, I'm not going for any kind of falsies, and that's why I'm coating up my lashes really well with mascara to give them a more spidery effect. So this is how my eyes look after completing the whole makeup, and you have seen how hassle free and easy this look is to create, and I hope you will all gonna recreate this look. And please tag me in my Instagram handle if you create this look. I would love to see that. So for my lips, I've used the Nykaa Mattelicious lip crayon in the shade Jade Rose, but you can use any color of your choice. Any kind of lip shade would look absolutely amazing with this eye makeup. So change the lip color according to your preference, and I hope you really enjoyed watching this video. So don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you loved it, and also please subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. Till then, see you in my next video, girlies. Stay happy, stay safe.